Life ain't easy, get used to it. Kali do some stuff and on your shit. No, ain't easy, get used to it. Cause no one gives a fuck anymore and you gotta earn your own shit. Stop blaming others for your own done sins. He's watching it all, the sadness behind your grins. And probably time for me to go and make them twins, yeah. So that's how it started when I realized nothing working for me. Even if I'm in the hometown, no one jerking off me. Everybody on their own shit, precious time. But no one gives a fuck what you think of it. All of them wanna do the big game, but no one's even trying to spend a penny. Cause they thinking it's a lame. Them all wrong, boy, just never let you down. Try harder, apply harder, be in your own shit and fly higher. Life ain't easy, it ain't no easy. Life's so rough, life's so tough. Life's a game, just as bluff. Life ain't easy, say Billy, Bill Gates, and they're probably true, all of them, cause they all have been having the same faith. Now they all succeeding, eating, doing, and I become the sweating, yeah. You probably should get out the bed, live your dream, not in sleep but in real life. Start doing some work on it, what are we even doing? Our life is worthless, thinking of girls all the time. Come on man, all the bitches are heartless. I'm saying this once and it's real true. Money matter, money talks, yeah you have a clue. You probably heard the name Lil Tunchi many times. Who has filled his body with some real signs. Yeah, I suffered a lot, smoother a lot, was different a lot, and was the first as fuck to on a wear on. Now that's a lot. I'm not saying you to be different, but do things different. I'm not any lecturer to lecture you. It's no one's fault, it's only you. Stop making excuses, step out the box. Stand for yourself, time to do something big. Cause life ain't easy, get used to it. Cause life ain't easy, get used to it.